Good morning, team. I'm just wanted to show everybody how to change out the burner tubes for propane from going from natural gas to propane. Disconnect your Molex plug if you have one, or the wires that are on your gas valve. Then there's just 4 screws. You have to do this anyway when you're going to LP gas anyway, because you have to change the orifices in your manifold. So we just take the 4 screws out. The gas valve will come right out. Put it off to the side. You're going to be changing your orifices to the LP, like I said. Very simply, you'll lift, turn, pull them out one at a time. And then when you take your new stainless steel burners and you just reinsert them. Sorry, I don't want to get right in front of it so everybody can see. Yeah, sure. You got the 2 little tabs they'll go into. Sorry, I'm not right in front of it, so I can't see it perfectly. Sure, we're going. There you go. After you change your orifices and your springs that'll be inside, this is a 2-stage. Then you just simply put it back in. Line them up with your orifices. This is a little tricky because they want to fall out on you all the time, but you get them in there. And once you get a screw in there, they'll all fall right back in. You can see that it only takes about 2 minutes to change these things out. So if people ask you how much work it is, you can see that it's really next to nothing. Thanks. Have a good day.